How to add a payment method on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it using your Android device or iOS device. Go and open your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. So as you can see now, under this settings and privacy, now tap on this as you can see now, account center. After you tap on this account center, scroll all the way to down now and tap on this which says Meta Pay. This one, Meta Pay. After you open this Meta Pay, now tap on this as you can see now, payment method. Tap on this payment method. After you tap on this payment method, tap on this add payment method. Now it will give you three options. So the first one is credit card or debit card. The second one is PayPal, and the third one is ShopPay. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to add. Let's say you want to add like debit card or credit card. Select it. After you select the one that you want to add, it will take you to this option. All you have to do now, go ahead and fill in your credit card information and tap on this save button. That's it guys on how to add payment method in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.